maybe just do a little highlight and recap the points that he makes, but I think that's not going to work, so we're going to go to reading the text, even though that might seem a little bit annoying. He lays it out better than I think I could, or just about anybody. So what then is the law? Or what then is law? It's the collective organization of the individual right to lawful defense. Each of us has a natural right from God to defend his person, his liberty, and his property. These are three basic requirements of life, and the preservation of any one of them is completely dependent on the preservation of the other two. For what are our faculties but the extensions of our individuality? And what is property but an extension of our faculties? And I guess what he's saying there is the whole basis. Our individuality is our self-determinism. It's who we are. If every person has a right to defend, even by force, his person, his liberty, and his property, then it follows that a group of men have the right to organize and support a common force to protect these rights constantly. This is the principle of collective right. Its reason for existing, its lawfulness, it's based on individual right, aside from collectivism, which is based on the collective being senior to the individual. And the common force that protects this collective right cannot logically have any other purpose or any other mission than that for which it acts as a substitute. Thus, since an individual cannot lawfully use force against the person, liberty, or property of another individual, then the common force, for that same reason, cannot lawfully be used to destroy the person, liberty, or property of individuals or groups. Such a perversion of force would be in both cases contrary to our premise. Force has been given us to defend our individual rights. Who will dare to say that force has been given to us to destroy the equal rights of our brothers? Since no individual acting separately can lawfully use force to destroy the rights of others, does it not logically follow that the same principle also applies to the common force that is nothing more than the lawful right to protect persons, liberties, and properties, to maintain the right of each, and to cause justice to reign over all?